Hi, I'm Steve with Best Corporate Events. There was a study done by an organization called the State of Remote Work back in 2019 that asked people a very simple question. Would you like to work at home for some or all of your time? And interestingly enough, 99% of the people said yes, at least for some of the time. That would be fantastic. Why? Less interruptions, more time to get things done. The reality has been a little bit mixed. In fact, 65% of those same respondents have found that in our current work environment, they're not as productive as they thought or they would like to be. Our workshop will take a look at three major areas. We'll talk about what you're doing during the day, how you can close out the day and better build towards tomorrow, and how you can prioritize things on the fly. Second of all, we'll talk about things you can do with the rest of your team that's also working from home, how you can keep the relationships going, and what are some things that you can work more efficiently with each other. Finally, we'll take a look at some stress management techniques and how you can keep better separation between your work life and your personal life. We keep things nice and interactive. This is not going to be one of those programs where we are just lecturing at you. We will involve you in breakout rooms, chats, polls to make sure that the content that we are delivering for you is customized and is engaging to your audience. Thanks so much, and we look forward to working with you.